Are you facing low FPS or lagging issue on Deep Rock Galactic Survivor game? If so, then this video guide will let you know the best fixes for the stuttering issue and increase performance of the game. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Fixes 1. Check system requirements. Before you jump into playing the game, make sure your system contains all the requirements to play Deep Rock Galactic Survivor game. Here I have mentioned minimum requirements to play the game. Fixes 2. Update graphics drivers. When your graphics drivers are not updated, then it can show compatibility problem and prevent you from playing the game. Therefore, you should update your graphics drivers to the current version to fix the issue. Fixes 3. Set game to high priority. First, open Deep Rock Galactic Survivor game. Now, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Then, go to Details tab, find Main Process of Game. Next, right tap on Deep Rock Galactic Survivor, set as high. Fixes 4. Clean your computer. When there are too many files in the system, then they clutters and the performance degrades. So it's better to clean your system by removing all unused apps or files and run a virus scan program. Fixes 5. Run the game as an administrator. Here are the steps to follow. First, right tap on Deep Rock Galactic Survivor. Now, select Properties, then Compatibility. Next, select Run this program as an administrator. Finally, tap on OK to save. Fixes 6. Verify game files. Here's what to do. First, open Steam Library, right tap on Deep Rock Galactic Survivor. Now, choose Properties, then Local Files. Here, click on Verify the integrity of game files. Finally, restart the game to check. Fixes 7. Remove unwanted programs from system. If the game is showing low FPS or freezing, then it means that your system is struggling a lot to fulfill the needs of game. So you should delete all the files that are of no use and running in background. Fixes 8. Disable Steam overlay. Follow the steps. First, launch Steam, then Library. Now, right tap on Deep Rock Galactic Survivor game, then tap on Properties. Under General tab, uncheck Enable Steam overlay while in game. Fixes 9. Reinstall Deep Rock Galactic Survivor game. If still there is a lagging issue on the game, then you should reinstall the game once. Just uninstall the game from your system and again reinstall it. Then check if low FPS lagging is resolved.